Do you have an old t-shirt you don't know what to do with? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to another episode of Upcycling project videos where we transform the ordinary into extraordinary. Today we're turning an old t-shirt into a chic and comfortable pillowcase. Before we dive in, gather up these simple items: an old t-shirt, a sewing machine, sewing needles, thread and a pair of scissors. First up, take your t-shirt and cut it in half lengthwise. This will give you 2 equal pieces of fabric to work with. Next, place the 2 halves together with the printed sides facing each other. Sew along the edges, leaving one end open. This is where the pillow will enter its new home. Now turn the pillowcase right side out. It's starting to take shape, isn't it? Now for the final touch. Sew up the opening, and there you have it. Your very own custom-made pillowcase ready for a pillow. But wait, there's more. Want to add a personal touch? Hem the edges for a more fitted look or add patches, buttons or other embellishments. The sky's the limit when it comes to customizing your upcycled pillowcase. This project is not just fun and creative, but also a fantastic way to minimize waste. So why not breathe new life into those old t-shirts you have lying around? And there you have it, folks. An old t-shirt transformed into a stylish and comfortable pillowcase. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to keep up with more upcycling projects. And hey, if you do create a pillowcase from an old t-shirt, I'd love to see it. Share your results in the comments section below. Until next time, keep upcycling and keep being awesome.